how to block adult websites in Microsoft Edge. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So let's dive right in. First things first, open up your Microsoft Edge. Now go ahead and tap on three dots on the top right and then scroll down and tap on settings. Now, on the left hand side, under profiles, you'll find privacy, search, and services. Tap on it, and then here you'll find privacy. Tap on it, and then here you can toggle on the send do not track request. And then you can allow sites to check if you have payment method saved. You can toggle it off. You can toggle it all off, and then come back again, and then go to security, and then you can toggle off you can toggle on protect from harmful sites and downloads, block potentially unwanted apps. Make sure you toggle these on, and then scroll down. You'll find use current service provider or choose a service provider. So tap on choose a service provider, and then tap on enter custom provider and set it to clean browsing family filter and hit save. Now, this will help you block adult websites on your Microsoft Edge. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.